Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel that is typically hiking and backpacking and of course wild camping, Moffat Mountain Adventures. However, I also like to put in some products now and again that makes sense for me, makes sense for the channel, and this one I'm really excited about. I've actually got 2 boxes from them. It's a company called Kyloeinthewild, Glasgow based. They're sunglasses and hats, so I'm going to do a bit of an unboxing and go through what I've got given and talk to you a wee bit more about it. So without further ado, I've got the 2 boxes and I'm just going to open them up and we'll show you exactly what's inside. So when you open each up, the box itself, it looks tidy as hell. You've got a little note, please recycle me, born in Scotland, rocked wild wild. First thing I've got is this absolutely tidy hat. Now this is what they class as the ambassador hat, which is where I'm going with this one. So I seen the advert, so I actually had to put my name down to be an ambassador for these lot, and they selected a few people to be it. So for me, for being an ambassador, I give a 15% discount code for anyone who wants any of their products, either their, let's say, the little trucker hats like so, or any of the other products. So 15% off, and to use it, it's dead simple. It's MMA15, so Moffat Mountain Adventures 15. Also gives you a little clue as to where I got the name Moffat Mountain Adventures from our previous life. You know. So that's my hat. I'll leave that on for now actually. In this box, this was what would have been my original ambassador's box, and I'll explain what I mean in a wee second. So I've got a wee, what I thought was a bandana, but I think it's a buff, which I'll get out in a wee minute and go through that. We'll leave it there now. Then I have what is the glasses that they gave us as part of the ambassador sack. This one's branded as a Nexus, but I think it's their hero style, which again I'm going to explain their styles in a wee bit as well. And here I have one that I had to get as the glasses I bought, and that was called the Hulksters. If you know me, you know why I've got that. And then one of these wee things, a little toggle. It's pretty cool actually, sturdy. Not quite sure what that's for, but I guess that's just me being thick, I think. And then a little sunglass case, really solid, which came in both the boxes. So I'm going to empty this box as well, and then I can show you, go over the lines, and we'll sit down and go over that together. Aye, so straight away, I bet you can already see that it's actually pretty cool compared to some of the other stuff we get sent now and again as YouTubers. So, got my hat on. Starting from this side out, we've got the Murphman Falcons, which to me, they kind of look more like an aviator from the picture. So let's get them unboxed and let's have a look. Straight away, what you notice is that they brim it with little stickers. So they'll be getting stuck on some of the maps and things like that I have, and making little memories. They have a little wipe, so each one of them have wipes. They're really handy. Keep an eye on where your wipes are. Taking all those stickers out, and then there's another wee thing about the frames and the lenses as well, so handy to know. One of their big selling points they've got with all their glasses, if I take this one out, is that they all are meant to have a little gripper that then stops the glasses from coming off. So I'm going to take my hat off, I'll just show you this properly. Oh, yeah, so I'll put them on, it's dry on, and then, yeah, that could have went bad. Yeah, absolutely solid. Look at that, stuck. And it is, like I say, there's these little grips there that go around the ear that just hold them in place. Anyway, what do you think? So, first set of rims on, I think pretty alright, yeah? Okay, let's go to the next ones, and we'll go through them all. So next up, I've actually got 2 of the same, and it's the Nexus. The reason why I've got 2 of the same is because I've put an order in, and I think what's happened is they've then sent me through a second order, not realising I've already got that for one. But anyway, either way, I'll give one wee set to Caitlin, and she gets a couple of pairs of glasses to go with it. So I'll leave that to the side for her. She can get that with her hat and our wee bandana as well, or buff. Anyway, so inside here, we get the usual stuff that we've had the rest of them. You get your little wipe, which they look really nice as well, and a bunch of stickers, which I'll lay out, and I'll overlay some of the wee stickers. You can see what they're like. They are really funky looking. And glasses, like I say, these were the brand ambassador ones. You can't actually get these online, so unfortunately you're not getting these. But look at these. Pretty cool, I would say. Yeah, yeah. Again, grip, pretty much all right. Sometimes with the hat, bit of a combo. Yeah, yeah. I'm taking that. Yep. Okay. Yeah, I'm loving the feel of that. Okay, let's get the third set on. I'm going to put these down there for now. And then let's get our last set, which was the Hulkstars. You probably know where I'm going with that one. No, slightly different frame with these ones. A little bit thicker in the lens. Again, probably the nicest looking arms that come with this one as well. Nice wee details there as well. So, oh yes, that's probably the frame for me for hiking, yeah. Again, absolutely rock solid to my head. I can't believe how well they've done that. That's very impressive. Yeah, so like I say, I got a set of glasses and a hat for Nout as a welcome gift for an ambassador, and then I got a good discount on things I added on, but I could have added on a lot more. There's so many choices and there's so many reflections on what your personality would be. So I got a few different varieties. People know me, know I love a bright colour, so you'll probably see me wearing them a lot. This will probably be the ones I'll wear most when I'm hiking. And I think for now, these will be the ones I will leave in the car for when I'm just cruising, you know. So yeah, and again, the hats have loads of choice of hats. So the nice bright coloured white and green one for now, which I have been needing a cap as well, or a couple of hat caps for the summertime. Think back to the Malmores video that you'll see. I took my little cowboy hat with me, and I just got my head burnt. So need something different than that. Overall, super impressed with it, with the company so far. How quick delivery for us as well. 2 days, I think it was. So yeah. MMA 15, and I'll get you 15% off. They do a buy one get one free now as well, and I checked last night to be sure. But if you buy one set and get one free and then put your code in, you then get the 15% off the buy one get one free. So what a bargain. Anyway, hopefully the next video you've got with me is out in a tent. Pretty sure with me and Caitlin as well. And until then, I'm doing it in here today because if you know, you know, but the weather has been absolutely rotten for feels like the whole of 2026, bar maybe 2 days. So yeah, putting a wee video out now before we get, hopefully it's going to be a belter of a spring. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that, and don't forget to get yourself some shades and some hats before summer season. Right folks, I'm off to go and lie in the sun. Alright then.